What's up guys, your boy Mike, another day, another vlog. Today we put together a workshop. It's called E-Commerce Rocket Saturday. The purpose of this workshop is help the local business here start their own e-commerce business. With that being said, let's go!
We right now hosting a business workshop, including me and Mike, and I'm so excited to see everybody. It's not a lot of people gonna turn up. I only invited like 25 people because this is the first workshop we hosting about e-commerce and how you're gonna make passive money income. Yay!
So thank you guys for coming to the workshop. I know today is a beautiful Saturday. You're going to be like go out and chill and go to the party and go shopping. But you decide to be here. That's mean I appreciate you want to make a change for your own business. Just finished the workshop here. So did you guys having fun?
Yes!
We will do it again? Yes! If you didn't subscribe to my channel, smash that subscribe, smash the notification bell. Please!